Good morning, everyone. It is hi, Gina Luisa. That's Clover. But the bird was singing so sweetly. I wanted to let the camera begin with what's on the other side. That's that cat food forest back there, down there. That Clover's looking at. But I'll turn the camera around. Hmm? If I can, where's the camera? Hey, I turned it around a minute ago. But it won't let me now. So, I'll do another video in a minute. A second ago, I was switching back and forth, but not since it's going. So, just a little bit of this is Clover. And the sound of some birds this morning. A little atmosphere. Nature provides. Even the warming of a heart on this drizzly day. Just a little break in the clouds and the birds begin to sing. Good morning. Okay, Clover. This is